This is a Quantum 600 XL power chair. This power chair has a 400-pound weight capability. It does have electric tilt, and it has a super large seat on it. So again, it has a 400-pound weight capability. This chair was used for about 6 months to a year. It has about 259 miles, which is about 1/5 of what the total mile of the chair would be if the chair was pretty much used up. So it's in excellent condition. This is why we have it here. The price will reflect the mileage. Again, 259 miles. It's a Quantum 600 XL with electric tilt. So the first thing I want to show you is the electric tilt. To do the tilt, you would turn the power on by pushing this joystick, this knob forward. And you're going to keep going forward until you see the picture of the seat. When you see the seat, pull the joystick back, and this is your electric tilt. The nice thing about this electric tilt, you can see how quiet it is. The foot plate comes up with the tilt. It was very, very nice. A lot of chairs, when you have electric tilt, your feet are dangling, but you have the actual foot plate coming up with the electric tilt. So this is a full electric tilt. Let's talk about the base. We've got 14-inch solid wheels on the base. We've got a motor for each wheel. So on this power chair, if you want to roll the chair, just push the lever down, and now your wheel is unlocked. On each side you have a motor, so you have to do the lever for both sides. This is back in gear, okay? This is that. On this chair, I'm going to bring the tilt back down. You've got anchor points here and here. So if you want to tie your chair to the lift, or to your van, you got one here and one here. On both sides of the seat, you have and this chair will not drive with the seat tilted back. So now I've got the seat back all the way down, and I'm going to put it in drive, and we're going to turn it sideways. As you can see, the foot plate does flip up when you exit, so you have nothing in your way. You've got lateral pads on here that can be removed. These lateral pads can be removed, and the arms also go up on this chair. But the lateral pad, just push the button. There's a little red button here, push the button, and the pad comes out. You don't need the pads. But it does have lateral pads over here, which is nice. The arms do flip up, as you can see right here. The arms flip up. So if you needed to get out of the chair, the arms flip up. The seat is 22 wide by 20 deep. 22 wide by 20 deep. We can adjust the depth to 18 or deeper if you need a deeper seat. We can move all this back. This is a super large back, so this chair, I'm not going to change the seat if I don't have to. 22 wide by 20 deep, but the depth we can move back and forth a couple inches. Large contoured back. You have a safety belt over here. You do have a swing away joystick, so you can move the joystick from the front to the side. That joystick can go on the left if you're left-handed with no problem. This is considered a mid-wheel drive, meaning the motors are in the middle, the drive wheels are in the middle, so this chair will turn around its own length. So this is what the chair would look like if you turn it. And I can turn in a circle like this all day long with no problem. It'll never move from here all day long. So that's that. The batteries in this chair come out from the front. There's two batteries in here. They're 55 amp batteries. They come out from the front. There's a pin in the bottom right here. At the bottom, the foot plate will come out. Well, actually not. The foot plate won't come off, but you'll have to tilt the seat back. Then the front green part will come out. The two batteries come out from the front. They're 55 amp batteries. You get about 13 miles on a battery charge, depending on the weight of the user and where you're using the chair. On the back of the chair, you've got push handles, which is very nice. If you have to put this chair in neutral, you just push it from here. So, when you charge this chair, you take your Quantum charger, and when you charge it, put the charger in and plug it in the bottom. As soon as the light turns green, you're fully charged. You don't have to worry about overcharging your chair. The charger will stop charging as soon as it recognizes the batteries are full. So again, you have a chair with great suspension. You can see the suspension right here in the front. There's yellow suspension on the front. You can see this chair does have suspension. This is a Quantum 600 XL 400-pound weight capability. with a 22 by 20 extra large seat. It does have 259 miles. So if you need a chair to get you from A to B with a lot of comfort, you need to be tilted back and you want your legs to go up with your back, this will be a really nice one to look at. And it's a very nice chair and it dries very well. This chair runs like a brand new chair. I cannot even hear the motors. It's so quiet, it's unbelievable. 4.5 miles an hour, so it's not the fastest chair in the world, but it's definitely going to be a comfortable chair. This is Marc with Marc's Mobility. We are a family-owned business for over 20 years. Thank you for watching this presentation. We have several other models available. If you have any questions, please call the number below, 800-677-6293. Thank you again for watching.